Hello friends, I'm going to share you today that how can we uninstall Node.js completely from your MacBook. Okay, so first go ahead and let me check. So let me maximize my terminal. Okay, so this is the terminal, and from here that first go ahead and check what is the Node version which I have. So it is version 18.14.2. This is the currently which I have. Okay, so what we need to do first, we need to go ahead and go to home directory. So first we will go cd and slash, so it will take back to the home directory. So if we check where we are right now, so pwd present working directory, so that is we are in root. So what we need to do, we need to go to first cd usr, okay, slash, first go ahead and check, okay, what all the files are here. Okay, so we are in USR directory right now, and there are a couple of directories. So where we need to go here, from here that we need to go to local, cd local. Let's check the ls. So we have bin, include, and library and share, right? So in order to remove Node.js, we need to go in each of the directory one by one. So first let's go to the bin, cd bin ls, check what all the files are here. So we have lots of file here, like you can see the node is here, node command, npm command, npx command. So these all the commands line command which we need to remove from here. So what we can do here, that first we need to go ahead and type rm remove root file, and we need to type nod node. Sorry, we need to give the sudo because it requires admin password. Then just I type the arrow command, right? If you press the down arrow, so it will take you to the last command line, and if you type if you click on up arrow, it will take you to the up command which you have already typed. So I need to put sudo rm, so I need to enter the system password. Now it is done. So if I'll check the ls, the node is not here, right? It was here, node has removed. Now I need to remove npx, so I need to run the same command. Here I need to type npx. It is done. Now I have to type npm, and I believe that those who are working with Node, they must be familiar with the what is the npx, what is the npm. So npx is just used to install the package temporarily, not installing in system, just downloading it to use it, just like you're borrowing, right? And npm is just installing that application or the package in your system. This is a major difference. So now I go ahead and check. So we do not have npx, we do not have node, we do not have npm, right? These are the pythons and all. So what we need to do, we need to go back to the same directory, the previous directory, sorry. So let's check cd dot dot will take back to you the previous directory. So we were in the bin right now. Now we need to get into a include. So cd include. Let's check what all the files are there. Here the node is installed, right? So what we need to do, you need to run the same command, ls. I'm just typing up arrow because I'm in this directory right now, include. So it will go ahead and remove the root file. If I'll go and type ls, I won't find that. There is no file in this directory, right? So it is showing blank. So now we need to go ahead and do that. Sorry about that, I'm being a little bit fast, but I believe those who are technical, they can follow the step, or you can pause this video or you can slow down and follow the steps. Okay, so let's go ahead and back to the previous directory. Let's check in which directory we are. So now we have we remove the file from bin, we remove the file from include. Now we have to get into a library, cd lib ls. So we have node modules. So all the modules which used to installed with the node. So these files are here. So we need to remove node modules. So type the same command sudo rmf here nod node underscore modules, right? So there are lots of modules, so it is taking a little bit time. Now I check, so we have only dtrace, no other files. So if I check the npm node version, we do not have node install in the package, right? So we have completely removed the node from MacBook. So I have just downloaded the latest version, that is version 18.15. So I'm just going to install. So you can see that where it is going to install USR local bins node. So there it is going to be installed. So just clicked, read that agreement and all. This is the hard drive. Okay, so I'm just keeping it first. Just type the password. Done. So now it got installed successfully, and this is the path where it is. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to again going to check node version. Okay, node hyphen b. So now it is the version C. So if I'll go to the directory, let's see in which directory I am in. So I am in the library directory. So I'll go to the CD. I'll go to the root. That would be a fine root directory. Then I will go to cd usr slash local. Now I'll type the ls. See, there is a bin. So let's see what is there in bin. cd bin ls. Now we have node npm npx. They all got installed. So if I'll go back to previous, let's see. So if I go to the library, let's see what is there, library ls. Now we have node modules. So this is how that you can uninstall and install the Node.js completely in your MacBook.